We have arranged 2022's top 10 luxurious hotels and resorts in the world because we came to know you are a luxury lover. These luxury hotels and resorts have been arranged by their popularity and user ratings all over the world. Number 1. Emirates Palace. Visiting this hotel can be the best option to get rid of tiresome life, as this hotel is a multi-flavored place where you will feel yourselves no less than a royal persona. The white sand beach has been always one of the most attractive parts for the clients. The total cost that the government of Abu Dhabi has to pay to create this photographed beauty of this hotel is around $3.9 billion. The hotel includes 394 residences where 92 general suites and 22 residential suites are warmly prepared to show the heavenly beauty inside. The lobby is made with fascinating marble. The marble has been imported from 13 countries around the world. 1,000 crystal clear chandelier will give you a rhinestone vibe. Most of the suites are well adorned with gold and marble. Primarily an expansive marble floor is seen in the entry. A giant-sized dome is picked in gold where the penthouse floor includes 6 rulers' residence, which is always reserved for the royal dignitaries. It has 40 meeting rooms with exclusive serving. It has helipads and a huge royal ballroom where 2,500 people can have their ball party arranged easily. The very famous Fast and Furious have some scenes shoot there. The luxurious shops on that royal hotel may snatch the eyes of the beholder for a few seconds. Number 2. Burj Al Arab. With an unforgettable welcome and intense care of this hotel show you the name of its meaning, truly the honor of Arab. This hotel includes 201 duplex suites along with Talai's spa. Kids can have their time passed on the Sinbad's Kids Club. It has a personal beach too. The architecture and the complex engineering will give the right impression of a floating palace on the sea. With the winking of the sun, it looks like a sailing ship indeed. The guest is given a different kind of card. With the touch of the cards, the golden doors open automatically to show the inner beauties. All the windows are remote controlled with rolling beds. This is the 4th highest hotel in the world, which includes 212 rooms on 28 floors. Tom Wright has painted the building using a mixture of Western techniques of Oriental folk. Classicism is found in the spiral staircases. Each room contains a TV, telephone, library, and internet. And the most attractive thing is a 24-karat gold iPad which contains each detail of the hotel with menu cards too. Even a guest can buy iPads from the hotel authority. This royal hotel has 3 outdoor along with 2 indoor beaches. One can have their nightlife option luxuriously celebrated there. Now comes to their dine. Burj Al Arab has the most 2 coveted restaurants, Al Mahara and Al Mantaha, which foods are mouth-watering. The spa corner is famous for its Arabic geometric forms. The bathrooms look so very extravagant. This has the highest atrium lobby. The heliports, hovering tennis, and the famous ballroom Al Falak Ballroom fulfill the beauty of this masterpiece. One can easily get intoxicated with the beauty of this utopia. Number 3. Titanic Mardan Palace. The largest swimming pool of 5 acres, adorned with delicious seafood, and 4 sunken aquarium that contains about 3,000 fishes make this hotel of Turkey one of the most luxurious hotels in the world. Almost the cost of this hotel is near about $1.4 billion. It has a luxurious beach in which 900 tons of sand was imported from Egypt. It has a giant-sized spa which is 12,000 square feet. The hotel contains 560 suites. The construction of the building is mixed with gold, which covers 10,000 meters square. The crystal covers 500,000 meters square, and the rest is covered by Italian marble, which is 23,000 meters square. Including 17 bars, it makes the hotel more luxurious. Number 4. Westin Excelsior. A perfect luxurious at the same time pocket-friendly combo. Containing 281 rooms and 35 lavishly decorated suites. For per night, room costs $511 USD and suite costs $1,120 USD. It has the largest suite in Italy. The main attraction for the guests is Villa La Copula. This suite was modified again with a cost of $7 million. Contain the cocoon spans through the whole 2 floors. This is mesmerizing. The decoration is a fusion of ancient tradition with the touch of modern technology. The domes look like a cathedral. They have a private place for doing physical exercise. It has a huge dining room. Number 5. Atlantis Paradise Island. Including 6 suites named as the Beach Tower, Coral Tower, Harborside, which contains 392 villas with a huge restaurant, and a pool is organized there for children with fancy things. The Reef is the newest among all. The Cove with Mosaic Restaurant contains 600 luxurious suites. The Royal Suites contain a Royal Bridge suite. To stay there per night, you have to spend $25,000 USD. Various water rides are there in the Mayan temple slides. Among them, the adventurous one is the Leap of Faith, which leads you to a lagoon filled with sharks from near about 60 feet. Exotic jungle and dark caves are also seen in this hotel. The Power Tower is the highest level of adventure, which is a ride from 120 feet from the surface. Starting with the abyss, the next 3 steps are more deadly. The drop includes 50 feet of total darkness, then the fall, and finally the surge tube comes.
Splasher is the mini version of the Mayan temple slides, which is specially made for children. The dig is the most traditional part of this hotel, as it reminds the legendary lost Atlantis city,
including 50,000 aquatic living things and almost 250 species. It takes the visitors through a total exotic taste. The whole water space area, 154 acres. It has a huge dining room where a chandelier is the main attraction, as it is made with 24-karat gold. The hotel has a shopping center in the Marina Village. Number 6. The Plaza. Situating in New York from 1907, this hotel is the icon of royalty. The most attractive parts are the Tea of the Palm Court, lavish champagne bars, the Rose Club, and the food hall,
including 282 rooms and 102 deluxe suites.
It has an ancient flavor. It has a world-class shop which is so very ritzy. Dramatic lighting, extraordinary flooring, bright chandeliers are the package of beauty.
Salon, spa, and fitness center is also there to give the best availability to the guests.
The ballroom and the terrace are decorated with the original traditional flavor. Like other luxurious hotels, Plaza offers a personal butler too.
Number 7.
Boulders Resort and Spa. The soul rejuvenating beauty of the luxurious hotel and spa resort is praiseworthy. 12 million ancient rock formations can be seen there. Homestyle villa, exotic accommodation, meeting and event room on around 50,000 square feet. 33,000 square feet ritzy spa, a full-service salon, adventurous at the same time recreational activities as hiking, rock climbing, golf academy, a tennis garden, an adult pool, and whatnot have made this one of the luxurious hotels in the world. A modern gym and mouth-watering restaurant complete the full desire of their guests. Number 8. Palms Casino Resort. To grab the best experience in Las Vegas, Palms Hotel and Spa is the best option. The hotel includes 599 luxurious guest rooms. Most of them include LCD, hot and whirlpool bathtub, outdoor pool, sauna, and spa work as a relaxation to the guests. 24-hour room service and special care for disabled people. The ritzy rooftop suites are the main attraction for the guests. A full bar with a private elevator and rotating beds give the guests a perfect luxury. Number 9. Zemi Beach House. This is a perfect place to enjoy the extraordinary beauty of beaches. Fully air-conditioned, flat satellite TV, available coffee machine, a buffet breakfast, attached closet, hairdryer, and kids club are some amenities for the guests.
To reduce the problems of the guests, they offer ATM and currency exchange for foreigners,
including 24-hour front desk with available room service, huge fitness center, and some recreational activities as snorkeling and hiking are also there to give their guests the perfect piece of a vacation.
Number 10.
After reconstruction, they have introduced their guests with a lot of twists. Stunning new design, lavishly enhanced spa, fitness club, and luxurious dining including delicious foods. Natural beauty can be seen easily with the view from the hotel rooms. It has a Sheraton boutique, high beam roofs, arranged closets, ritzy bathtubs, huge bathrooms, fireplace, and luxurious living space make the hotel one of the best on the top tier list. So these were top 10 luxury hotels in the world 2022. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.